Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The center of the pie should have some give. It should jiggle slightly in the center. The pie has an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer when done. If you don't want to take the temperature, a knife inserted into the edge of the filling should come out moist but clean.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
After baking, pie should be left at room temperature as the cooling process normally takes 2 to 4 hours. Within 4 hours, the pie should then be placed in the refrigerator. Pie may be refrigerated for 2 to 3 days.
Take our lead.
You can bake or boil your sweet potatoes for sweet potato casserole. If you're baking them, make sure a sharp knife can slide easily through to the middle of the sweet potato after cooking. Another hot tip: if you're boiling your sweet potatoes, don't overcook them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.